To enable Apple Intelligence iOS 18 beta. 1. Check compatibility. Apple Intelligence is only available on iPhones with the A17 Pro chip or later iPhone 15 Pro and newer. Unfortunately, iPhone 13 does not support Apple Intelligence even with iOS 18. 2. However, if you want to try iOS 18 beta features without Apple Intelligence, here's how. Open Safari and go to beta.apple.com. Then sign in with your Apple ID and Face ID. Then scroll down and tap Enroll your iOS device. Then follow the on screen instructions. Then go to your settings, then general, then software update, then beta updates. Then turn on iOS 18 public beta. Then tap download and install to get the latest iOS beta. 3. After installation, you'll get new iOS 18 features, but Apple Intelligence will remain unavailable due to hardware limitations.